Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Figured I'd jump on here and just share a little tip, just quickly. Machine screws, a lot of times you get these and they're longer than you need and they don't fit right. So get yourself one of these electrical crimps. You can get them at any auto store or box store. They have these holes on them. Just thread into this side, whatever size it works. Thread it to the length that you need. Cut it. And then you back it out. It's the exact size you need, a lot shorter. It really helps. Obviously electricians use this, but you can use this with hardware, drawer knobs and handles when you're doing furniture over, refinishing furniture and changing the hardware out. Cabinetry for kitchen, for vanities in the bathroom. Helps every time, clean cut. And when you back it out that way, it leaves those threads nice and clean. You won't have any cross threading. Hope this helped.